Can one budget work for two completely different homes? We put it to the test with a 2 BHK and a 3 BHK both designed under 11 lakhs. Sounds crazy? Not really. Interiors aren't about size, they're about how smartly you use your budget. In this video, you'll see how our experts balance storage, finishes, and space to make it happen. Same budget, different homes. Let's find out what changes and what stays the same.
Coming to the living area, we wanted the TV unit design was something we already had in our mind.
Yeah.
It had to look elegant and classy and yet simple. And also we wanted to throw in some earthy element there. Also, we added a little bit of zing with the love neon light.
If you see the wallpaper, it's really resonating with the earth concept, and I think to put together that concept all together in the living space. So we put some indoor plants as well. They're really going very well in the entire space. So you will not find anything out of place in this living area.
स्पेशली जब हमने डिस्कशन डिज़ाइनिंग का स्टार्ट किया तो आई वॉज वेरी क्यूरियस टू नो, और मैं देखना चाहता था मल्टीपल डिज़ाइन फॉर टीवी यूनिट का। तो मुझे कुछ ऐसा चाहिए था, मेरा ग्रैंड टीवी यूनिट हो जहाँ कि हम कुछ अच्छे से अच्छे आर्टिफैक्ट रख सके, उसको शोकेस कर सके। उसमें हम जैसा भी टीवी चाहे, छोटा टीवी, बड़ा टीवी, we can place it, and this is how this looks now, really beautiful.
We would say the kitchen turned out really well. Kept it in a duotone instead of choosing a monotone. Our personality is more we are organized people, and we are the tall unit and the built-in microwave, so that helps to keep the slabs neat and tidy, and it goes well with our character, I believe.
Yes.
So nothing is on the slab and everything is just clean and
Yes.
neat the way we like it.
किचन में हमें सूदिंग कलर चाहिए थी, तो हमने ग्रे और वाइट का कॉम्बिनेशन चूज़ किया।
Okay, coming to the master bedroom, so there was a challenge to address. So there was a window in the master bedroom which we do not want there in that space. So we had a really long discussion with the designer how to overcome that challenge. So what she suggested is we put a very huge headboard to kill that window, and to complement that we will be having a full length mirror in the corner, and also we'll be having full length wardrobes in the room. So overall, the laminates which we used, they were very neutral color again, and the dual tone we have used there, a frosty white and something in brown. We have been complimented so many times by our friends, this hanging light is really looking nice in that space. So overall, we are liking the entire master bedroom, how it is done, how it is coming out.
मास्टर बेडरूम का एक्चुअली थोड़ा स्पेस का भी था, और हमें उसमें भी बहुत अच्छा चाहिए था।
coming to Mihika's room, the highlight of the room, I would say, is a mirror. So we gave her a very Bollywood kind of mirror, and yeah, she loves to dress up like princess every day. A room like which has space so that the room can grow with her growing age. So we did not add a lot of elements into the room as yet, but a study table and bed and the
Dresser
wardrobe,
and the wardrobes.
wardrobe and dresser.
I'm little bit very close to my daughters, so I know the taste of what she likes, she don't like it. So we have started designing very small study unit for them. Then we thought I have two kids, they should not fight each other, right? Like if you are sitting, I can also sit. So I asked designer to make it little wider. So and yeah, so at least both can use at the same time.
The guest area, which is mainly used as an office area for the people who are working from home. So so we have a office table set up there, and again we have whenever the guests come in, so we have a distressed abeti laminate. Which keeps everything very neutral. We haven't done much with the guest room because the abeti itself shows for itself, and we wanted to keep it
Simple.
simple.
Again.
So yeah.